welcome back to my channel. Last video we learned how to make the yellow cross using 3 different algorithms. We also learned the notation little f and little fi. In this video we will learn how to make the edges on the yellow cross line up with the centers in the middle layer. The first thing you want to do is to look at the edge pieces that make up the yellow cross. If you look, you can see that there are 4 different colors for the 4 different edge pieces. They are blue, red, orange, and green. Now, when you have the yellow cross, these edge pieces can be in any order they want, but there are only 2 situations that can occur. Either all of the edge pieces match with the center colors, or only 2 of them match with the center colors. So turn the top layer until you match 2 edge pieces with their corresponding center colors, like so. So the blue matches with the blue center color, the red matches with the red. So the 2 edge pieces that match the centerpiece colors could be adjacent from one another, or it could be opposite from one another. So for this example, this yellow cross has 2 edge pieces that match the centerpiece color of blue and red. Now, if we continue looking at the edge pieces, we find that the green and orange edge piece are not in the correct position, as it does not match the centerpiece down here. So these 2 edge pieces are the ones we need to change. So holding the cube so that the 2 edge pieces that do not match the center color are the 2 sides facing you, do the algorithm R, U, R, I, U, R, U, U, R, I twice. So again, R, U, R, I, U, R, U, U, R, I. Now you can see if you turn the top layer, all of the edge pieces matches the centerpiece color, like so. There is one more case where the 2 edge pieces that match the centerpiece color are opposite from one another, like so. So the green matches with the green centerpiece, and the blue matches with the blue centerpiece, but they are opposite from one another. In that case, it does not matter how the top layer is positioned. Do the same algorithm R, U, R, I, U, R, U, U, R, I to get the case we have seen before. So now this time, the green and the orange match the centerpieces, but the red and the blue do not match the centerpiece color. So do the algorithm R, U, R, I, U, R, U, U, R, I, and once more R, U, R, I, U, R, U, U, R, I. Now you have matched every single edge piece with the centerpiece color on the yellow cross. Thanks for watching.